Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jeff the IT guy. Listen, today we've got an unboxing for you. We're going to be unboxing the brand new, hot off the presses, just showed up MacBook Pro with the M1 processor in it. This is Apple's own silicone, and everybody's been waiting for it, wondering when it was going to happen. It got announced last week, November 10th or whenever it was, and it's here. I got one of these to check out for work. To see if we're going to be able to use them or if we're going to have to come up with another game plan. Listen, before we get into the unboxing, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. You're not going to want to miss what's happening here on the channel. We're doing a lot of great things, a lot of cool things. But we're also going to take a look at this and do a review of it and compare it to, the Intel silicone and see if anything that you typically do for your job, whether it be Final Cut or Premiere, maybe you're an Android dev, we're going to see how if there's any changes. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. All right, as with all Apple products, the packaging, is awesome. It costs the most money. So you got this little tab right here. Let's see, you just pull it over like this, and then you are practically in. That's all you've got to do. And then the plastic just comes right off. So we'll go ahead and we'll pull it off. Looks pretty nice as far as packaging goes. I don't know if they actually changed the design of it or if it was just a change on the processor itself. So you just plop it up here. This is the 8 gig model. This is not the 16 gig. So there it is. Looks practically the same. They're practically all space gray now. I'm gonna set that to the side. We'll see what comes with it. You get your USB-C cable here. Who doesn't like a good USB-C cable? And you also get your power brick, which is still quite large. It's not as big as the 16-inch. So that's what comes with it. And of course you get your Apple stickers and everything like that. I am making sure that this is actually that they sent me the right one. I guess we'll find out. So you got your power brick, your cable here, and then your MacBook Pro. You just kind of go like that. And open it up. Put it to the side. I like to keep these just in case. And then here's what it looks like. It looks the same as as one with an Intel. I really don't think anything's changed. As soon as you pop open the lid though, you get greeted with the Apple, whatever it is. Still have the touch bar over here. They did make some changes to the touch bar as far as its functionality goes. Everything else is the same as the 2020 model. The only difference is it has the M1 processor. So
English is the main language. Press the return key.
Listen, it's the main language, Siri, okay? Just chill out for a minute. So it's practically the same. It uses less power. It has a longer battery life. So they're saying that it's about double the battery. Doing video calls and things like that. It's still kind of heavy. It's got 2 USB 3 or Thunderbolt 4 ports on here. And then a headphone and microphone dual port. So it's pretty much the same form factor. Really the only thing that's changed is what's going on with the RAM and everything like that. So it's all on one chip now that Apple has developed. So this has been a short unboxing of the Apple MacBook Pro 13 with the M1 chip. Listen, you're going to want to stay tuned for the review of this bad boy. We're going to take a look at it. It's going to be awesome. I'm going to really put it through its paces and let you know if you're going to be able to use it in your professional workload. So go ahead, subscribe, leave me a comment. If you're thinking about picking up one of these, give me a like if you like the video, and I will see you all later. Thank you so much for watching.